In a remote town surrounded by dense forests, a dark legend was told that shook the inhabitants since time immemorial. The story told of the Search, an evil entity that wandered among the trees, stalking those who dared venture too deep into the forest. It was said that his eyes, shining like embers in the darkness, watched every step of the unsuspecting travelers, and his presence was perceived as an icy chill that crept into the bones of those who felt him nearby. The legend came to life in the minds of a group of friends who, defying the warnings of the locals, decided to enter the forest one dark, moonless night. With flashlights in hand and nerves of steel, they ventured deeper and deeper into the thick foliage, ignoring the signs of danger around them. The atmosphere grew oppressive as they advanced, the sounds of the forest became ominous and the trees seemed to twist like bony fingers in the darkness. Suddenly, a dead silence descended upon the group, and the lanterns began to flicker and go out one by one, leaving them at the mercy of the blackness that surrounded them. That's when they saw it, two bright points of red light floating through the trees, slowly approaching them. Terror gripped the friends, but it was too late to turn back. With each step they took, the Bosque's presence became more intense, as if it were absorbing the light and the very life of the forest around them. Suddenly, one of the friends disappeared into the darkness, his piercing scream echoing through the trees before being drowned out by silence. Panic gripped the remaining group, who ran aimlessly, tripping over roots and branches as the search relentlessly pursued them. At dawn, only one of the friends emerged from the forest, his eyes empty and his mind shattered by terror. He could never explain what he saw that night, but his lost gaze and incoherent murmurs were enough to confirm that the search was more than just a legend. It was a nightmarish entity that lurked in the shadows of the forest, waiting for those who would venture too far into his kingdom of darkness. From that fateful night, the town was shrouded in a cloak of fear and superstition. The inhabitants clung to their homes during the nights, avoiding any approach to the edges of the forest that stretched like a dark abyss around their lives. But even the deepest fear cannot keep human curiosity at bay. Over time, the Bosque stories faded from collective memory, becoming little more than old wives' tales to scare children. However, a new generation of brave, or reckless, emerged, defying the warning of their ancestors and braving the forbidden forest. Inspired by youthful arrogance and fueled by the need to prove their bravery, a group of teenagers decided to venture into the heart of the forest once again. Armed with camping equipment and mobile phones, they entered the thick of the forest, convinced that the Bosque was nothing more than an invention of superstitious minds. But they would soon discover that ancient evil is not easily forgotten. As they walked deeper into the darkness of the forest, a feeling of unease began to take over them. Their laughter became nervous, and the sounds of the forest seemed like sinister whispers crawling through the trees. As they advanced, the shadows lengthened and the lights of their flashlights seemed to fade into the darkness. Suddenly, one of them tripped over something on the ground. Bending down to examine it, they discovered an old wooden statue, carved with twisted shapes and eyes that seemed to follow them wherever they went. The atmosphere became even more oppressive, and the air was filled with a rancid, sickly smell that seemed to emerge from the shadows themselves. Then, they heard the whisper. A barely perceptible whisper at first, but it soon became a disturbing murmur that echoed in his ears. Panic gripped the group as they realized they were not alone in the forest. Something was watching them from the shadows, something ancient and hungry with fear and despair. They tried to run, but the shadows seemed to hold them back, enveloping them in impenetrable darkness. Their screams were lost in the void, drowned out by the presence of the Bosque that hovered over them like a long shadow. No trace of the lost young men was ever found, only their flashlights and camping equipment abandoned at the edge of the forest, a grim warning of the dangers that lurked in the depths of the Bosque. And so the legend continued, fueled by the lost souls who ventured too far into the dark abyss of the forbidden forest. As the years passed, the forest became a forgotten place, a forbidden land that people avoided at all costs. The stories of the Bosque became mere legends for the younger ones, and the town returned to relative tranquility. However, the darkness of the forest never rested. It fed on the fear and intrigue of those who ventured close to its limits, patiently waiting for the right moment to claim new victims. One night, a couple of hikers decided to ignore the warnings and explore the forest on their own. Convinced that the stories of the Bosque were just old wives' tales, they entered the foliage with reckless bravery. At first, everything seemed calm. The fresh air of the forest and the sound of birds created a feeling of calm that enveloped them. However, as they went deeper and deeper into the forest, that feeling began to fade. The trees seemed to close in on them, darkening the sky and filling the air with a feeling of oppression. Soon, they realized they were lost. No matter where they went, everything seemed the same, twisted trees and long shadows that moved with a life of their own. Then, they saw it. Two bright red dots floating between the trees, slowly approaching them. Fear gripped the pair as they backed away, but it was as if the forest had trapped them in its dark clutches. The search surrounded them with its ominous presence, haunting whispers filling the air as it approached. They tried to flee, but it was as if they were trapped in a terrible dream from which they could not wake up. And then, darkness enveloped them. The couple was never heard from again, only their voices were left echoing through the trees, whispers of warning for those who dared to challenge the limits of the Bosque. And so the legend of the dark entity persisted, fueled by lost souls who ventured too far into the forbidden forest. As time passed, the forbidden forest became a place feared and completely avoided, even by the bravest. Stories of the Bosque were passed down from generation to generation, serving as a reminder of the dangers that lurked in the shadows of the dark foliage. However, one dark and stormy night, a stranger came to town. Ignoring the warnings of the locals, he decided to brave the forbidden forest and delve into the heart of it in search of answers to the questions that had tormented him for years. With firm determination, the stranger entered the forest, facing the sinister whispers and the shadows that writhed around him. As he advanced, he could feel the presence of the search, a dark and ancient force that watched him from the shadows. But the stranger was not intimidated. Armed with courage and determination, he continued his search for it, determined to unravel the mysteries of the forbidden forest. Finally, he came to a clearing in the heart of the forest, where he found an ancient ruin covered in brush and ivy. Intrigued, the stranger explored the ruins, searching for clues to the search's origin and its connection to the dark forest. That's when he discovered it, an ancient book covered in dust and mold, hidden in a corner of the ruins. With trembling hands, the stranger opened the book and began to read the ancient words that faded on the yellowed pages. As he continued reading, a feeling of horror came over him. He discovered the truth behind the Bosque, a dark entity born from darkness itself, condemned to wander the forbidden forest for all eternity. But before he could react, a shadow rose behind him, a dark and menacing presence that enveloped him in its cold embrace. And so, the stranger became another victim of the search, lost forever in the shadows of the forbidden forest. And the legend continued, fueled by the lost souls who ventured too far into the dark realm of the search. In an unexpected twist, the stranger did not give in to the darkness that surrounded him. With a shout of determination, he pulled out an ancient amulet that he had carried with him, shining with a divine light that defied the shadows of the search. The dark entity recoiled from the light of the amulet, roaring in frustration and fury. The stranger, armed with bravery and hope, faced the Bosque with courage, daring him to dare touch him. With a deafening roar, the Bosque faded into darkness, defeated by the stranger's light and determination. And so, the forbidden forest was freed from its darkness, and the town regained the peace it had longed for. The stranger became a legendary hero, remembered for his bravery and his ability to challenge evil. And the legend of the search, instead of being a horror story, became a tale of hope and redemption, reminding everyone that, even in the darkest shadows, light can always find its way. Subscribe to my channel for more scary stories.